All right. Now we're doing freeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, object-oriented programming, extend constructors to receive arguments. All right. So the bird and dog constructors from the last challenge worked well. It sure did. However, notice that all birds that are created with the bird constructor are automatically named Albert, are blue in color, and have 2 legs. So what if we wanted birds with different values for name and color? It is possible to change the properties of each bird manually, but that would be a lot of work, and it sure would, because we'd have to do this every single time. We'd have to change the swan. We'd have to say swan.name Carlos and swan.color white. That's not cool. So suppose what are we saying here? Suppose we were writing a program to keep track of hundreds or even thousands of birds, of different birds in an aviary. Okay, anyway, it would take a lot of time to create all the birds, then change the properties to different values for every one. So to more easily create different bird objects, we can design our bird constructor to accept parameters, all right? So we'll do something like this, have the function bird, and then we'll have name and color as the arguments. And then we'll say this dot name now equals name, and this dot color now equals color, and then this dot num legs is 2 regardless, so it doesn't really matter. And then we can pass in the values as arguments to define each unique bird into the bird constructor. So we'll say something like this, let cardinal equal new bird, and then we'll have the string Bruce, comma, the string red. And this is going to give us a new instance of bird with name and color properties set to Bruce and red respectively. The numLegs property is still set to 2, and the cardinal has these properties. If we did console.log on all these, it'll say Bruce for this one, red for this one, and 2 for this one. So the constructor is more flexible. It's now possible to define the properties for each bird at the time it's created, which is one way that JavaScript constructors are so useful. They group objects together based on shared characteristics and behavior and define a blueprint that automates their creation. All right. So now we're going to create another dog constructor, and this time we're going to set it up to take the parameters name and color and have the property numLegs fixed at 4. Then we're going to create a new dog saved in a variable terrier, and we're going to pass it 2 strings as arguments for the name and color properties. All right, so let's come back here so we have something to look at. So we've already got the function dog set up like this. So now we're going to put this name color as the parameters. So we'll say name, comma, color like that. And then down here, we'll do pretty much the exact same thing. It is name and color, right? Name and color, yeah. So we're going to pretty much do the exact same thing as this. We'll say this dot name now equals name, all right? And this name right here is the name that's getting passed in, and this name right here is the key for this key value pair, all right? And so now we're going to come down here and say this dot color is now color, and again, this color is this color, and this color is the color when we do like key value pairs. I wish there was a key value pair we could look at. Anyway, whatever. Hopefully you get it. I'll show you in a second anyway. So, and then we're going to come down here and say this dot num legs equals 4 like that. All right. And so we're going to come down here and make a terrier variable as it says to do right here. All right. So we'll come down here and say let terrier equal new dog. And then we'll say the name of it's going to be Daisy. And then we'll have the color be, let's go crazy with this one. Crazy for Daisy. Let's say black, white, and brown. It's like a 3-color dog. And so now when we come down here and we say something like this, console.log terrier, we'll see the name is Daisy, the color is black, white, and brown, and the number of legs is 4. All right. And like I was saying before, this name is talking about this name right here, and this color is talking about this color right here, while this is this, and this is all this right here. Hopefully that makes sense. So now let's run the test. Looks good, and submit it. All right. Now we're on to verify an object's constructor with instance of, and we'll see you next time.